KleverSwap is a decentralized way to trade your crypto right in the palm of your hand. Seamlessly exchange coins multi-chain with privacy, low fees, and unrivaled speed. You own your keys. In today's world of crypto, KleverSwap is simply magic at the click of a button. There we are, finally. Guys, we're very sorry. Technical issues on the restream side, but welcome, Klever family, yet again to another episode of Klever Live, where we take you deeper into the world of Bitcoin, crypto, blockchain, NFTs, and of course, the Klever ecosystem. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. It really means the world to us. Today, we'll be talking about NFTs, of course. The phenomenon that is not only taking over crypto, but is seeping rapidly into the mainstream. And what I see as one of the most exciting platforms on KleverChain itself, namely KleverNFT, which is a highly curated platform for creating and collecting unique NFTs. To guide us through is the creator of the platform, a true ninja, and a brother of ours, none other than the head of NFTs at Klever, Felipe Rieger. Welcome, brother.
Misha, hey everyone. Thanks for having me again. So happy to be here.
Thank you for attending and coming and showcasing for us what you and your team have built and what you are building and what you are set to launch. So let's let's jump right into it. We have no time to waste here. For anyone who doesn't know, who hasn't followed the development until now, what is Klever NFT?
Yeah, KleverNFT is a complete Web3 infrastructure platform. It's like a 360 platform. It's focused on creators, but it also helps the journey of collectors. So for creators, you can mint, you can select your blockchain that we are going to support many chains soon. You can manage your collection, update the metadata. You can do the IPFS management. You can, after you mint, you can do your first INO. You can set up a store model. So we have the blind sale, mystery box store, editions model, membership store. We can You can also manage on marketplaces on third parties also. Set up the payments that you want to collect, for example, receive in which coins that you want to receive for your INO, and also you can track your royalties, create your royalties. One thing that is nice also, you can give utility for your token through the giving posting for your community, for your holders. You can manage your members of this community. You can give Discord access only for holders. You can track special links or private access just for holders. Yeah, and also the thing that more that excites me more is about the token rewards. That is a brand new thing that we created, so you can distribute rewards to your community, to your token holders through this platform that it's coming and rebranding to a new protocol. So basically we will be the first one to create these token reward things, and then later I'm going to show you something very nice. But yes, this platform also is going to rebrand soon, so we are going to move very fast with this platform. I'm just connecting with a lot of people in this space, a lot of shootout to people on the Web3 Twitter. So we talked a lot. So I'm very excited to work with everyone in this space. Uh, what makes us different, I can say that the token rewards also, the token in the simplicity. But right now we have a lot of platforms in the market, and protocol and something like that. But almost all the platform are focused in one part of the journey, and our platform focus in all parts of the journey. So the creator journey and also the collector journey. So yeah, the Web3 also is spendly and rapidly spending, and but still no one understands this space. I think that's a lot of confusion in the market. It's difficult to creators, and we want to bring also developers that are not in this Web3 space until now, and go come from the Web2 and easily launch inside the platform. So you can create, you can launch, and you can instantly monetize your collection and your Web3 platform.
Fantastic. I mean, you and I speak about NFTs and clever NFTs on a daily basis. Sometimes we're both almost, it's too much to handle because the space is growing so large and so fast. But this, what you just said, what makes it unique, how do you focus that experience that you said, both for collectors as well as the users, meaning like the creators themselves, but also the ones actually holding and using these NFTs and holding them. How do you create that balance, and why is that so important for you when you're creating this platform?
Actually, for me, it's easy because I'm creator, I'm developer, developing products, but also I'm understand the other side, the collector side. So we use the concept of the Web 2.5. So I don't want to make it hard for people as come as collectors, because collectors we need to bring the mainstream people to this space, and the collectors are for sometimes when you start on the Web3, it's very difficult. You have to create your wallet to save private keys, so there's a lot of things, and most of the part of the journey of the creator is to hold and understand all this part. So you have the metadata, you have a lot of things that's very difficult to control. So we try to use the Web 2 phase, the simplicity of the Web 2 inside the platform, and make it easy for both of the part of the people. So the collector can benefit, and also the creator. Most of the creator part is it's even more difficult than the collector, but we want to benefit and create an ecosystem, a 360 platform for both.
We speak a lot about Web 2, Web 3, and when we were in Austin, we also attended a lot of interesting talks about Web 2.5. Where is Clever NFT on that scale, and what is your goal on that?
Actually, I think the best way to do it is to show you how can we handle this I think it's the best way to understand, because uh, for me, you don't need to make the things difficult for collectors and also for creators. So if you are advanced user and you have your your extension, you have your wallet, and you want to plug in and start developing, it's okay. But if you don't have it, you don't have to make a barrier, or create a challenge for the user to jump in this space. So that's why you created the Web 2.5 model. So if you don't have a wallet, you can go your email and your password. We create one for you. But it's the difference from the Web 2 is that you can export your wallet. You can have your keys whenever you want. So that's the model of the Web 2.5. So if you have your wallet, you can connect and go ahead with your wallet, no problem. But if you don't have it, you just create an account with your email and password, whatever the way you are, you know, for many years, and we create the wallet for you. And if you want to export that, you have all control of your wallet. You just click in export, and it's the wallet is yours, you know, and you can connect to the extension whatever you want. You can do whatever you want, you know.
Amazing. Yeah, absolutely fantastic that you're creating that bridge between Web 2 and Web 3, while at the same time giving users and collectors an option to kind of get off that bridge and handle their own keys. Truly empowering. So let's, before we jump into the live demo, let me just ask everyone out there, if you have any questions for Rieger about NFTs, about Klever NFTs, and the future launch of the platform, please drop them in the comments wherever you are, and our backstage team will do their best to pick them up. Without further ado, Rieger, please show us the goods in your live demo.
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm going to show you the Web 2.5 model. So here I'm going to connect my account. I just received my 2FA code here. I'm in. So here is the creator side. So you have like I explained before, you have the 2.5 model. So if you have your wallet, you can just connect that and you can use the wallet. But if you don't have it, we already created a wallet for you. So that's the model that I explained before. So here's your wallet. You created an account and you have your wallet. But if you want, you can export your wallet whenever you want, and you will be able to also connect your wallet and use it the platform as you want, with your own wallet. So that is the 2.5. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a collection inside the platform. So the first thing you need to understand, you need to select a blockchain. So for now we are starting with Klever, but we plan to have a lot of blockchains in the future. But we have a difference with our own chain that we can track royalties on chain. So our blockchain, we're gonna work different from the EVM blockchains. So you select your wallet and your blockchain, and I'm gonna start a collectible collection. So the first thing you need to know, you have to create your collection. So you need to create your contract. So you drop the image, and the system instantly shows you how it's gonna be your collection. So you put a name. For example, I'm gonna put Gypsy, something like that, collection. You use the Gypsy description. Then you go and create an abbreviation. This is the wallet that we created, so you are the owner of the collection. You select the supply of your collection, for example, 650, it's 500, and then you add your royalties. Who's going to receive that? The royalty, the percentage that you want, and the social links of your collection. That's it. You click in publish, and your collection is right here. So once you have your collection, you will be able to mint more NFTs. You can update the metadata, and you can do the or use your settings for the INO thing. So to update the metadata, we use it a simple way. So you can name all the files of your collection. For example, one, two, three, and then you can also add your JSON files here to create it. Once you plug in here, the system sends you to the IPFS, and all the files go directly to a decentralized server. So no one's gonna take down your collection. So
Before we continue, Rieger, there's a lot of people here who know tech and are developers, but there's a lot of people here who don't. What is a JSON file?
JSON file, okay. JSON file is how can I explain easily? JSON file is a text document that you can use and include the descriptions of the informations about your collection of your NFT, for example, if your token. For example, on a collectible collection, you need to create the name, the description, the trait type. For example, if you are creating a character and you can create a head of the character, you need to include the head and how is the head, how is the attribute of this head. If you want to create like a special item of your NFT, for example, you can add, and then once you complete this file, you can upload that, and the system creates all for you. But we plan to have this JSON file creator inside the platform too. We have something created inside, but it's not ready to showcase already. But also this part of the JSON file, you're gonna support the creators also, because I think that in the beginning is a little bit difficult. But to resume, JSON file is just a document that you upload inside the contract, and it keeps on the IPFS. So it will be the information about the NFT, so no one's gonna take off. It's gonna be forever there.
Perfect. Thank you for that explanation. I'm sure a lot of people appreciate it.
No problem. So following the example here, you have the INO. So basically, you have the visual settings. You can use the banner. You can use our feature image, your slug, also the description. And we are coming also with a model here. It's called theme. So you can customize this page with the font, with the colors, the branding, and all the look and feel of your brand. So you don't need to develop a page for example, a WordPress page or something like that. You just can use it, and the collection is going to be there, and you can be able to sell it in minutes. So you can use all the infrastructure of our Web3 platform. You also have the sales settings. Here is interesting because you can create your INO page with four kind of store. So you have the marketplace. The marketplace is when you can showcase all the NFTs, and you can make like a private marketplace for your brand. So if you want to sell in this model, you can have this marketplace created just for your brand. So you're gonna showcase all the files, all the NFTs of your collection, and you can put a special a price for each one, or you can do the same for all the collection. The blind sale is like the mystery box. I'm gonna show you later also one page that is gonna be the launch of a nice nice collection that we're gonna launch with our platform. Editions, it works perfectly with musicians, because you can create different tiers of the tokens. So we're gonna make you an example later. And the membership is just a token that gives you access to a Discord, for example, or a post that I'm gonna show you later. So for example, this blind sale, you just use the NFT price. You can also use the max user buy. The number of NFTs is going to be on sale. For example, if you have 1,000, you can use 800 to the INO, and 200 you can use for marketing purpose for your team, whatever is your project. So it's easier to start your Web3 project. And also the accepted tokens that you can accept as a payment. Following here, you have the whitelisting. So you want to create a special moment for your community, so you can develop it, some marketing strategy. You can use the emails of your whitelisting. So you can actually create a whitelisting, and these guys will be able to buy it first, or you can create a Discord access, something like that. We are also creating very interesting here about the whitelisting that are coming in the next versions, that will be able. We are focusing also in the pre-mint phase, so you can start promoting your collection, your project before going live. So you'll be able to ask the whitelisting to follow your page, to go inside your Discord, to hold some balance to pay for the INO, for example, to avoid scams and something like that, bots. So we are working hard on this whitelisting thing, but right now you can use all the emails. Here are the posts. For you have a collection and you want to send a post to the holders. So you can start the post, you select the collection, title, you can use image. Later you can use also videos, links, whatever you want, and you can publish your content. Once you create, only the holders and owners of this collection will be able to see the post. So you are actually giving one simple utility for your project. Later, you can also be able to connect your Discord and link your Discord channel or API inside this platform. So actually only the holders will be able to join the Discord. If they have the token, they can click the link and go to your Discord. And to finish,
Absolutely beautiful. Amazing use case. You've really, I mean, we've only scratched the surface here, but you really thought about all the aspects of an NFT collection, both from the creator and the collector side. Just loving it. Please continue.
thanks, man. So here I have one example of an INO page. So here we have one collection called Love Monster. The Love Monster, it will be a blind sale. It will be a mystery box. So basically, Love Monster team just created the account, sent the files, deployed the NFT collection inside KleverChain in just minutes. Uh, they configure, they set up the royalties, they set up the INO page, they set up the price and the date in minutes. We just 1 hour to do it, and the system just create the page. And right now, if we want to run the INO, for example, you just select how much NFTs you want to buy. If we have a whitelisting running for this collection, only people inside the whitelisting will be able to buy it. But if it's open for everyone, the system just opens for everyone. So you buy it, you can deposit, you can select the wallet that's going to buy it, and that's it. You buy, the NFT is yours. So it's quite simple.
Amazing. Absolutely amazing.
So right now, just to finish the example, I'm going to show you a little bit how does it work for the music, because it's an we're gonna use the token rewards inside the music collections. So it's interesting because you can also you can create your collection of the music collection. You can create the name of the album, the description, the abbreviation, the total tokens. For example, I'm gonna sell it 700 tokens, and I want to give 50% of the music ownership. And also we're gonna put the Spotify URL, legal terms, all goes to the IPFS. So actually I'm gonna create my token tires. So here I just upload and can create like gold edition. I'm gonna create uh, 200 tokens and I'm gonna sell it for $100. I will to give 15%. So the system actually makes the calculates the ownership per token, and you
So
can be
those 15% are of the streaming revenue that you're making, correct?
exactly is that's the part, the last part of the live that I'm gonna show you, because I think that a lot of people are talking about utility and NFTs and all of those things. So actually we made it simple to actually give utility as a token reward. We call it token reward. So you can have the NFT, you know, I know about ownership, we know about distribution, all this kind of aspects. But right now the market is focused in two parts: the volume and the owners and the editions. So we don't have any indexes or any way to track token rewards. That's why I developed this protocol that I truly believe that is something different. I'm gonna show you later how will be the indexes and how we're gonna be able to track. Actually, you will be able to give rewards to your holders off chain from revenue coming from off chain and also on chain. I keep this for the last because I'm gonna show you two images. But just to finish here this example, we created some things that are based on the music industry, like the tickets, meet and greet, exclusive Discord access, exclusive posts from the artist, exclusive merch, exclusive signed vinyl, video conversation with the artist, something, some examples that creators can use it and write inside the blockchain. So all of these that you are giving to the holders is going to be wrote inside the IPFS. So basically, you're going to make a contract inside the blockchain, and people that's going to buy it is going to see that. And if they want to sell it, they can sell it. Then the new owner can benefits from those benefits from the artist or the actually the token reward. So
Shortly before we continue, IPFS, just the benefit of using this decentralized system for storage for anyone who doesn't know IPFS.
yeah, IPFS is the interplanetary file system. Yeah, that's the that's the abbreviation. So
Hard name.
yeah, it's for now we upload files on cloud server. So basically we depend on machines or systems that will be connected to the internet. For example, on the IPFS side, we don't depend on those systems. We depend on the it's like the blockchain, you know, the blockchain. How can we run a blockchain? We can run a blockchain if we have the nodes, we have the validators, all these things. So we don't depend on the internet. The same from the IPFS. So you are uploading a file that's going to be inside this network that's never going to be down. If someone is actually mining and using this network, the file will be there forever. So that's the difference from IPFS. For example, if I upload this contract inside the AWS, for example, and I drop off the server, my contract and my NFT is down. You know, that's the problem. And with that solution of the IPFS, we solve that problem. You know.
Thank you. All right, let's continue here.
Yeah, just to finish, I think that's gonna take too much because we have a lot of things to show here. But uh, for example, I'm gonna create a diamond, and the diamond gonna be just 10 editions, and it's gonna cost $1,000, and I'm gonna give the holders 20%. and actually each one is going to have 2% of this token. So you can share token rewards with the holders, and if the music makes 1000 profit, the guy with this token can receive 2% of that. And this is a use case for music, but we can actually, with this model, we can do a lot of things also in other industries. So here I can give special things, and also the system starts to account how much money you are raising selling this token. So it's then dynamically. So if you wanna raise 100K, for example, you just need to understand how much tokens you're gonna sell it and calculate the prices for each one. So the system is gonna show you how much money you are raising if you sold out your collection. Yeah, I think it's that's my explanation. I have here one example, I think, for the music, how it's gonna work for music. I showed last week, but that's the front end. Is like I said, we have four example of pre-made INO pages. We have the mystery box, we have the edition. This is one is special for music. We're gonna have for membership that's gonna give, for example, Discord access, something like that. We have also uh, the marketplace that's gonna show each token is gonna be like a collection profile with all the tokens that your collection has it, and it's gonna work like your private or your own marketplace. It's very simple. After you sell your tokens, the collectors can sell it and can do whatever they want. If they want to sell on the marketplace, they can go it, and that's it. It's simple.
Simple is the word.
Yeah, I think that's it for
Fantastic.
now.
Do you want to? Do we have some questions from the
Actually,
community? Do you want to show one more?
yeah, I want to show just I just was almost forgetting the token rewards. For example, imagine if you are a collector and you have the token for this song, for example, and you are the holder, and you are using our platform to track and receive your rewards, for example. So, as a creator, you can create a new reward distribution here, and you can deposit the revenue from the song here, and the system is gonna distribute for every holder inside the platform, inside the protocol. So you can actually make a token distribution so easily and in minutes. And later, we are going to have it, the API of this protocol. So if you are building inside the blockchain, and actually you have like a game or a metaverse, or you can have something actually on chain, and you want to distribute token rewards, this distribution can be automatically. For example, if you have a game and you distribute profits inside your game can send it directly to the protocol and create a distribution protocol with token rewards. So the holders are gonna receive a message that they have rewards from this collection, and they can claim like you do in the staking. You can claim your rewards. You can also include reward terms, and actually you just connect your wallet, you click on claim rewards, and you receive the amount of your token, your part, you receive your part. It's utility in the real case, you know.
Fantastic. Yeah. You and your team have definitely thought about every aspect of this. We do have, since you're here, you can stay here and on the screen actually, and let's see maybe if this is relevant to actually live demo. The question is, can this be used for creating football tickets for sports club, for instance?
Exactly. Sure, absolutely. One of the apps that I'm building is the Tickety. We have a name, but I can't say the name. But we are I'm not allowed to say names anymore. So we have a name for this app, but it will be part of the Web3 app. So basically, you can mint the tokens, and you can do a creator fee, something like that, and you can use to sell it. So yeah, actually you can do like edition or something like that. We can also, you can do, also you can do for files. If you are a designer, for example, and you have nice Photoshop documents, for example, and you sell it on other marketplaces, you can sell it as an NFT, and you can track the buyers. And if the buyer are not using anymore, he can sell it on a marketplace and you receive from the secondary market. It's an example, you know, it's something that we're going to test, and you can do it as a designer or a photographer. If you are a photographer, if you are like a coder, if you are a web developer and you want to sell WordPress templates, you can do it and as a file, you know, there is a lot of use cases, you know.
Yes, indeed. There's a lot of utility that comes together with the platform. Another question is, can this be used for video as well? I presume the question is related, like a YouTuber or creator, content creator, can they also use the system to share profits with their community?
Exactly, absolutely. I can give you one example. If you are a YouTube creator, you can sell a membership collection, and the membership you'll be able to access posts, exclusive posts, like here, from your community. You are developing. If you are a YouTube creator, you are actually you are building a community, but you don't own your community. Google does. So you can create your community and also have access from your. You can sell, for example, 1K membership tokens, and you can include access to your post, access to your live shows, something like that, and you can make a streaming and publish just for your holders. So actually, just your holders give access to your streaming platform. We have plans to do streaming in the future. We have something under development on IPFS team, but using the metadata. But right now we don't have the streaming platform, but you can use the link from other services, and you can track and send to your members. Only the members have access. It's just a simple use case, you know.
Perfect. Just to answer your question, QW, will this be the question is, will this AMA be available for viewing later on? He wants to share it with his community. Of course, it will be available on Twitter, on YouTube, many other platforms. You can share it after. So, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Let's
Also,
go
Misha,
into, yeah, go on.
and for the YouTube creator, if as I remember, he asked about sharing part of the revenue he's making. Yeah, he can do it with the token rewards. He can say how many, like the music, how many ownership he is giving to the owners of the token, and he can create a distribution so he can track and send it to the holders.
Fantastic, or fantastic, as Duca would say. So, how let's talk a little bit, like, how can we actually assist and help creators on this platform? How can this new multi-chain KleverNFT and platform that you're building on top of KleverChain assist creators and projects starting out in the NFT space, or propel existing collections to new heights?
Yeah, build on the Web3 is in the moment we are living now, because we are on the early days of this Web3 thing. It's really hard, you know. That's why it's so complicated. You have to choose a blockchain. You need to set up and manage private keys, deploy node infrastructure. If you are developing EVM, you need to write a custom smart contract, integrate web systems to create like a INO page, like I explained and showcase before. You need to manage the contract, building a system to manage metadata, IPFS, something like that. You need to configure and set up royalties, sell, collect payment. And also, if you are starting this space, it's almost impossible to give utility for your NFT collection or Web3 project with just a simple plug and play app like we showed. So actually, the best way to help is actually make it happen. So I think the start and join this space right now is the best way and best time to do it. So we prepared a nice campaign for you. We're gonna select three of the best collections that gonna apply and submit on the link that we're gonna share, and we are covering the blockchain fees for the start of this. Actually, you're gonna pay the blockchain fees. We're gonna pay for you. Our team, you're gonna cover this cost, and also we are going to give you support and guidance through the process in the platform, as you are going to be one of the first in the world to use it. So we're going to select. So you need to apply. You need to submit your project. Our team is going to be looking for your project. Yeah, that's it. It's a good way to start.
Amazing. So to summarize the promotion, when the KleverNFT platform launches, selecting the three best projects to be guided by Rieger and his team, removing blockchain fees and assisting their collection in their minting event. Yes, amazing. You can apply in the comment section. There's a link. You can click the link and apply, submit your projects today. And something that I and you often speak of is this multi-chain aspect of what we're building, right? Perhaps not cross-chain. We're seeing a lot of bridges being exploited and hacked. It's a different element and concept completely from multi-chain. So here on the KleverNFT platform, how will the multi-chain aspect actually work? Will you be able to pay in ETH and receive it on a token standard on KleverChain? Explain that a little bit to us.
Yeah, we use the custody protocol of Klever. So actually, we create wallets for you when you are creating an account, or you can, like I explained before, you can connect your wallets and use yours. So if you want to make an INO and receive, for example, for a KDA collection and receive in USDT ERC20, for example, or TRX USDT, you can do it. We create the wallets, you receive it, and you can withdraw the funds once the collection I know is finished. So yeah, and because the protocol that we did is simple. It's actually on chain, but it's part of this Web 2.5 model. So actually we don't use all the things inside the smart contracts, and that's why it's easier to collect payments in other coins.
Great explanation. You often speak of INO. What is an INO, and how will it work on KleverNFT specifically?
INO means the initial NFT offering, is like the ICO for fungible tokens. So actually is the moment when the NFT collection or the Web3 project goes to the market and tries to raise the first amount of money. So in the INO model that we created, I know that's difficult. I did this in the past, so that's why I decided to build this, because I know that adoption comes with these kind of things. I felt like this before. So we created four kind of INO pages. The first one's the blind sale, the mystery box that I showcased before. You have the store model that you're gonna showcase all your NFTs. If you are an artist and you have like an art collection with 15 NFTs and you want to go as a store model, you can do it. You can showcase all the NFTs inside your INO page. It's not a marketplace because the money is coming to the creator directly. It's the first sale, and then later you can monetize with the creators fees inside the marketplaces. So the other one is the editions and the membership model. So we did it easily, and you can select the page and you can customize the INO page. But I know that there's something previous from the INO. That's the pre-mint phase. That's the time that you move the community and you start promoting the event of the INO. That's why we also created some tools for you. And for now, we have the whitelisting, and later we're gonna have a lot of new features and tools to promote your launch.
Fantastic. New on-chain NFT marketplace on KleverChain, separate to what you're building now. Can you give us some details on that?
Yes, we are building and relaunching the marketplace. Also, we divided. We are not using anymore inside the exchange. It's going to be a different product, as me, Dio, and all the guys decided to follow. So, also the minting platform, all this infrastructure will be directly connected to the new marketplace. So basically every collection that is minted on the Klever chain is gonna appear in the same time on the this new marketplace. So basically, it's gonna work like the OpenSea for the Klever chain. But also later we're gonna add other chains also, and we want to do that thing about the marketplace of marketplaces on the roadmap. We prioritize it right now this minting platform because I want to bring and create this ecosystem with the token rewards. But yeah, we will be able to track the royalties, and also you're gonna able to check how's going your collection inside this platform and also the marketplace. And it's gonna be live this month. This month we're gonna relaunch and it's gonna be live.
Exciting. Before we go to the last question that regards utility NFTs, we have a really important question, I think, about security from the community. What measures have been put in place to avert possibilities of stolen funds, like platforms such as OpenSea have seen in the past?
Actually, all the exploits and problems that OpenSea faced was basically like phishing and something like that. So it wasn't directly connected with the platform. I saw like problems inside the Bored Ape also, but was on the Discord when some guy got hacked, uh, and then the hackers and the scammers posted some links inside the Discord, and people got phished about those links and got drained on the wallets. So we have the security standard as a higher standard for us. And actually, I always say that you should track and look for what you click, which pages you go, which part you access. But it's a decentralized network. We don't have the custody of your NFTs and tokens inside our platform. We create for you, but it's you have access to the export keys and something like that. You have access to all of that. So we take security as a priority, but inside our platform you will be able to track everything about the security. You will be able to also put a 2FA, I made the login with the 2FA, it's already working. So you can do also the Google Authenticator, you can do a lot of 2FA things. But yes, you should also be careful on what you click, which pages do you access, and how do you manage all these social media things, Telegram, all these stuffs.
100%. And yeah, as we often say here, Klever, security is our number one, our second, and our third priority, and all the rest are built upon that foundation of security to support that mission. So it's very important to understand that everything is built on a secure and safe foundation. To our last question, utility NFTs is something we hear a lot about, real world utility and so on. What does it mean to you, and how have you been able to integrate that into the platform you built?
Yeah, we talk about utility NFTs every day. So to be honest, there are so many things happening in the Web3 world right now, and the term utility is used very often. So I want to show you something that I'm building with the guys that I think that's gonna be completely different. Just a second. Yeah, I'm gonna show you three pictures. Sorry, this one here, collection. Yeah, right here, we have the coin market cap print screen that I did. Uh, and actually you can see the index that tracks all the collections. So you have the name of the collection, the volume, the estimated market cap, and the floor price average, and all the things that happens on the NFT space right now. So this is the standard that all the market is tracking right now. So you can also have here the Crypto Slam, that is another platform, very famous platform that tracks the market. And you can also see it the same, you see the sales, the change, the buyer, transactions, you can see all the things the same way, Uh, I think utility, it's best use it if we do something like this. The protocol that we are developing will come like token with the token rewards. This is just example, it's not the final design, guys. So just a mock-up that I we are developing with the team. And the token rewards will be included inside the collection. So if you are developing a utility NFT platform that you're gonna reward and distribute rewards for your collectors, we're gonna track it because it's going to come inside the metadata, and we're going to show it as an index. So we will be the first one to do it because I think that is the best way to show utility for your collection. Actually, everyone is trying to say about that, but I think that we should do something about it, So, for example, if you are building a clothing brand, uh, you are selling clothes, for example, and you are creating a collection on Web3. You can sell clothes on the metaverse or on the real world, and you are, for example, you are distributing rewards or part of this success to your holders. So you are giving token rewards. The token rewards will be distributed on chain or coming from the off chain. For example, for the you are receiving in cash and you are sending to the platform, to the protocol. The protocol is swapping and distributing to the holders, or you are doing directly on chain. So basically, the money the profit that you make on the metaverse comes to the protocol, and the protocol distributes it on the blockchain, or to your holders actually can claim about it. And we are going to show this inside the indexes. So we are going to show the utility inside the indexes. So this is different. So we want to start on the KleverChain, but I have some tests doing in other chains, on the EVM chains. So this is going to be a new product. We are going to track all the collections inside the KleverChain, and also we want to track all the collections inside other blockchains also. But the thing about the utility is if you actually create something about the utility, you don't actually. I'm seeing a lot of people saying, "Oh, I give utility, I give this, I give that," but I think for me, utility right now is giving access or distributing rewards. So that's why we want to track what is the collection giving the utility for the holders. We're gonna show this, not gonna be saying on the Twitter. We want to make an index and track the market, who is giving utility or who is not giving utility. I think the Web3 space is missing something like that.
Yeah, it's definitely groundbreaking and breaking new ground on utility NFTs. Rieger, we're way past what we wanted to do with this session in terms of time, but thank you so much for sharing. Like always, it's such a pleasure and it's such an honor to work with you each and every day and grow alongside you and see you build out this monster in the making. So thank you for coming on, man.
Thanks, my friend. I want to say thank you also for my NFT squad, my team, Flores, Jonathan, Leo, all the guys that they are developing and working so hard to do it. I want to shoot out the guys and send him a pizza because they are rushing and rocking a lot. So thank you guys, and thank you also the community for everything that they do for us.
100%. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in, whether live or after the fact. It's such a pleasure to serve you and to build alongside you. And until next time, like always, your only limit is you.